Did someone say cheeseburger pasta? Yeah, cheeseburger pasta, aka hamburger helper. Don't play yourself. It's so bomb. Okay, here's what you need to do. Oh, we're going to get into it. Oh my gosh, so good. So you want to season your ground beef. I'm using my Brown Girl Spice Chop House blend. It's bomb. It's perfect for anything that you want to kind of taste like a burger or a steak. Then I go in with some onions and some tomato paste, salt, pepper. Y'all know the deal. Cook that up, and then I get my pasta ready to al dente. I'm going to start my roux, flour and butter in a skillet. Mix it until well incorporated. Go ahead and add my heavy cream and some chicken broth. I add some mustard, ketchup, Sriracha, Worcestershire sauce, mix that all together, bring it to a little simmer. Then I add in my cheese once that mixture is hot, and then I'm gonna turn off the heat actually because I don't want my cheese sauce to separate. So I'm going in with my cheddar little by little, salt, pepper, smoked paprika to taste, and then I make sure that I have my consistency right. You want it kind of loose, but not too loose, right? You want it to look just like this, nice and velvety. I combine my pasta with the meat mixture and go ahead and add that cheese sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys, I topped it with a little fresh scallion at the end. Insane. Like, it really does taste like a cheeseburger. Hamburger helper has nothing on this. Serve it up, add a little bit more sriracha, and enjoy.